Good morning and welcome. I'm so happy you are here with me today. This is a new day. A new day is a wonderful opportunity. It is a fresh start, a chance to do something positive for yourself. Choosing to spend a few minutes of your morning with me focusing on your English is a fantastic decision. You are investing in yourself. You are investing in your future. Think of it like a small seed. You plant it. A little water, a little sun each day. It begins to grow. Your English practice is just like that seed. Today we are giving it a little bit of water and sun. You don't need to feel pressured or stressed. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is simply to show up. Listen, try. Every single time you practice, even for just 10 minutes, you are helping that seed grow into a strong and beautiful plant. Relax your shoulders. Take a gentle breath in. Let it out slowly. Let go of any worries about making mistakes. Here, in this space, you are safe to practice. The only thing that matters is your effort. We will go slowly. We will use simple phrases, clear phrases. Your job is just to listen, then to repeat. That's all. Are you ready? Let's begin. Creating a routine is one of the most effective ways to make progress. When you do something at the same time every day, it becomes a habit. It becomes automatic, like brushing your teeth. You don't have to think about it or find the motivation each time. You just do it. Making this 10-minute English listening practice a part of your morning routine can be a game changer. It sets a positive tone for your entire day. You start with a small victory, a small success, and that feeling of accomplishment can stay with you for hours. It builds momentum. If you learn just a few new phrases each day, imagine how many you will know in a month or in a year. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Today is a new day. 3-second pause for student repetition. Let's do that one more time so you can practice the intonation, the music of the sentence. Listen to how my voice goes up and down. Today is a new day. 3-second pause for student repetition. Excellent. You are already doing it. You are speaking English. It's that simple. Remember to speak out loud. Hearing your own voice is a crucial part of the process. Let's move to the next phrase. This is another wonderful, positive thought to start your morning. I am ready to learn. 3-second pause for student repetition. Wonderful. Let's try it again. Focus on the feeling behind the words. Feel ready. Feel open to learning. I am ready to learn. 3-second pause for student repetition. Great job. You are building a foundation one simple phrase at a time. I will say a phrase and then I will pause. In that pause, I want you to repeat the phrase out loud. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just try to copy the sounds that you hear. The act of speaking is so important. It connects your ears, your brain, and your mouth. This is active learning. We will start with very simple, positive phrases to get you warmed up and feeling confident. This first step is all about getting comfortable with the sounds and the rhythm of English. Are you ready? Let's try the first one. Listen carefully. I practice every day. Let's do that one more time so you can practice the intonation, the music of the sentence. Listen to how my voice goes up and down. I practice every day. Excellent. You're already doing it. These are the building blocks of your English fluency. Each word is a brick and each phrase is a wall. Every day you add a few more bricks and soon you will have built something strong and impressive. Let's move to the next phrase. This is another wonderful, positive thought to start your morning. My English is improving. Yes, it is. Let's say it again with confidence. Believe the words as you say them. Your belief in your own progress is a powerful tool. My English is improving. Fantastic. You have successfully completed the first set of phrases. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Now that you are warmed up, let's continue building. We are going to work with phrases that are still simple but focus on the idea of daily practice. These are the building blocks of your English fluency. Each word is a brick, and each phrase is a wall. Every day, you add a few more bricks, and soon you will have built something strong and impressive. Remember the process. I will say the phrase. You will repeat it in the pause. Then we will do it one more time for shadowing and intonation. Let's keep the positive energy flowing. Here is the next phrase. Listen closely. I practice every day. Excellent. Notice the sound of the word practice. Let's try it again. Make the sentence your own. This is your reality. You are a person who practices every day. I practice every day. Very good. This repetition helps to lock the phrase into your long-term memory. It moves it from being something you just learned to something you know. Now for the next one. This phrase is about the method we are using right now. It is a simple but very effective technique for improving your skills. I listen, and I speak. That's wonderful. Let's focus on the rhythm. There's a little pause between listen and. Listen again. I listen, and I speak. I listen and I speak. You are doing an amazing job. This active engagement is what makes the learning stick. You are not just passively hearing the language, you are actively participating in it. This makes all the difference in your progress and helps you build the confidence to use these phrases in real conversations. In this part of our practice, we will focus a little more deeply on shadowing. Shadowing is when you try to speak at almost the same time as me, like a shadow. It's a fantastic way to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, the music of English. For this section, I will say each phrase twice in a row without a long pause in between. On the second time, try to say it along with me. Don't worry if you can't keep up perfectly. Just try to match my speed and the melody of my voice. First, just listen. Then on the second time, try to shadow me. Today is a new day. Today is a new day. How did that feel? It's a bit faster, right? As we come to the end of our 10 minutes, I want to talk about the most important idea of all, consistency. Doing this practice for 10 minutes every single day is much more powerful than practicing for 2 hours only once a week. Consistency is your superpower. It's the magic ingredient that turns small efforts into great achievements. When you are consistent, you build momentum. Think of your brain like a muscle. Going to the gym once a month, muscles soar, little progress. 15 minutes every day. Muscles get stronger over time. Your language learning brain works the same way. This short daily workout conditions your brain for English. It strengthens neural pathways for English. Celebrate your consistency. It's the true measure of dedication. There will be days when you don't feel motivated. There will be mornings when you feel tired. There will be mornings when you feel busy. That is normal. On those days, just press play. Just show up for your 10 minutes. Even at 50% effort, 50 is better than 0. Your habit of consistency carries you through low motivation. The routine itself becomes the motivation. We have reached the end of our 10-minute morning English challenge. Take a deep breath and feel that wonderful sense of accomplishment. You did it. You showed up. You listened. You spoke. And you invested in yourself. You started your day with a positive action that will benefit you long after these 10 minutes are over. I'm so proud of you for making this commitment. The work you did today matters. Every repetition, every phrase, every moment you focused on the sounds of English was a step in the right direction. You are building an unbreakable chain of progress. Each day you add another link to that chain. Imagine the chain in a month. Imagine it in 6 months. Imagine it in a year. Your consistency will carry you to fluency. Promise yourself this small gift of 10 minutes each morning. It's self-care and an investment in your future. So, have a fantastic day. Be proud of the effort you made this morning. Remember the positive phrases we practiced and try to use them in your thoughts today. I am looking forward to practicing with you again tomorrow. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You are doing a wonderful job. Until tomorrow, take care and keep up the great work. Goodbye for now.